Hi everyone, it's Clea, your instructor, here with some NYU classes tips and tricks to help you get the most out of our course site together. I'm logged in with a fake student account, and something that I would really love you all to do is next time you log in, head over to your profile and upload a photo. You can definitely use an avatar if you want, but I'd love to see a real picture of yourself. Not only will this help me get a sense of who you are, but you'll be able to see your classmates' photos when you post in things like discussion topics. Now let's go into our course site. And I want to point out one other thing about forums. You can see that there is a lot going on here. You'll always see message center notifications along the right, so you can see that there's 45 new messages since the last time that this person logged in and looked at forums. And if you find yourself missing out on discussion posts, here's a little trick. If you navigate to the Forums tab, click on the watch icon, and go ahead and switch to the top option. Send me an email whenever a new message is posted. This way, you'll get a copy sent to your email address of any time someone in our course posts to the discussion forum topics.